In this video, I will be showing you how to create a timeline in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll make sure I'm on the Templates tab of the Canva home screen. I'll type Timeline into the search bar and select Timeline Infographic from the suggestions to see all the available designs. I'll scroll through the results until I find a layout that fits my needs. This pink simple timeline infographic looks perfect, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I'll start by updating the dates. I'll click on the first year and change it to 2015. Next, I'll move to the second milestone and update 2025 to 2020. Then finally change 2030 to 2025 to keep everything in order. Now, let's style the text. I'll click the main title and open the font menu to search for a new look. I'm going to select Text Gyre Bonum and then quickly stretch the text box so the title fits perfectly on one line. To give the design more energy, I'll click on the background and open the color panel. I'll scroll down to the gradient section and choose this vibrant purple and pink option. Now that the colors and text are updated, my professional timeline infographic is complete and ready to use.